old school with a touch of new school. 2024 Super Performance Cobra, 60 miles on it, titled as a 1965. Stunning color combination. You have the cosmic blue with the white stripes. We'll take you under the hood. You have your 427 with the dart block, giving you 525 horsepower, 520 pounds of torque. Obviously everything brand new. And we're gonna walk you guys through this car, which is actually getting more attention from neighbors and friends and more buzz than all the ZR1s, all the Vipers we've had. Awesome car. Ford versus Ferrari, I think, brought a lot more attention to the Cobra than it has in years past. Obviously, car enthusiasts know what the Cobra is, know what Super Performance is in terms of these builds and these cars. We've had probably over 30 of these Cobras throughout the year, especially my father. This was his dream car. Stunning color combination, extremely well built, and a brand new Cobra with just 60 miles on the odometer that we're gonna walk you guys through the spec and build on this one. So under the hood, you have your 427 V8 with the dart block. You have your Cobra valve covers, Cobra air cleaner, MSD ignition, giving you 525 horsepower and 522 pounds of torque. All new aluminum caps throughout the motor, along with your containers. Really nice engine build. And again, the color combo on this is just stunning. Ceramic coated headers and side pipes. In the front, you have your dual fans. Tremec 5-speed manual transmission. Engine oil cooler. Back inside the cockpit, you have your Smith gauges. Always love the Smith gauges on the Cobras. Beautiful wood steering wheel. The Cobra center cap there. You have your Cobra floor mats. 4-point racing harnesses on top of those all black leather bucket seats. Windshield wipers and washers, which I know that may sound crazy, but on a lot of Cobras that is not the case. Also has heat. The air vents here on the sides will actually open up and have airflow back to your feet. Again, crazy features, but if you've had these Cobras and have not had these features, you know how important they are once you don't have them. Le Mans gas tank, gas cap in the back. And your quick jack bumperettes that are all chrome. Your Avon tires, which also are going to come with Goodyear white letter radials. So you'll get the tires that are on the car along with a set of 4 for those white letter Goodyear radial tires. Going to come with the tonneau cover, the sun visor and windshield winglets. Again, features that other Cobras do not have, but ones that do. Once you have them and are used to them, you're going to want those options. And coil-over suspension. So dream car for many, just like my father, the dream car was the Cobra. A lot of people want one of these throughout their lifetimes. When you're driving them, the sound of them, every time these Cobras start up from a cold start, it is a great sound. Cool cars grab a lot of attention. Like I said, I don't remember the last car we've had that kind of got this much attention, whether that was through the internet, through neighbors, through friends. That kind of, like I said, classic old school look with some modern tech, modern builds that, like I said, is brand new 2024 build. And Super Performance is not really a kit. All these rollers are built in the factory, and then you go from there to put your motors, your trans in them, and go from there. unlike a lot of the Cobra kits that are out there. So Superformance does a great job of kind of mirroring the brand of Cobras back in the 1960s, kind of true to the original Cobra. So right here, officially licensed product of Carroll Shelby, sticker right on the windshield. And like I said, they do a great job. Superformance is known to have a very, very high reputation in the Shelby Cobra world. So that's a wrap on our Shelby Cobra Superformance. Again, built in 2024 this year, titled as a 1965, which helps with a lot of people getting into wherever you are located. Any questions, reach out. Please comment, leave a thumbs up if you haven't, subscribe already, and be on the lookout on our website for all inventory we currently have and will have on our way.